Hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be diving into the world of spot trading using your Binance account. Whether you are new to trading or looking forward to expand your trading knowledge, this beginner guide will walk you through the process of spot trading using your Binance account. And also, if you don't have a Binance account, check the link in this video description to get a Binance account. So without taking much of your time, let's quickly go to our Binance account and trade spot. So when you open your Binance account, this is how to do, guys. So you click on trade. Let's say we are going to trade BTC slash USDT. So this is where you can actually trade your spot. You can either trade it on limit or market order. When you click on market order, you are going to buy or sell Bitcoin at the particular price at $26,672. You are going to buy Bitcoin at that current price. So you just put the amount that you want to buy. So I'm buying $10 USDT with to Bitcoin. So you can either choose 100% or the amount you have on your wallet, either 50% of the USDT or 75% of the USDT on your spot wallet. So when you click buy, you execute this trade at the current price of the market. But when you click on limit, you can actually place the trade on any place you want. If you want to buy Bitcoin at, let's say 25,000, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin at 25,000, then you put the amount. Let's say I'm going to buy the for $10. I'm going to buy $10 at this current price at 25,000. So when I click buy, it will show you on this open order. It will show you when Bitcoin get to this particular price, this 25,000. That is when I'm going to enter the market. You understand? That is when I'm going to enter the market. So, but with market order, you are going to enter the market immediately at the current price. So that is it, guys.